We're excited to introduce Seller-Provided Support, a feature that gives you more control over your business and your buyer's post-purchase experience. When a buyer has an issue, you can now handle it directly. Here's how it works. Start from your Seller Hub feed on desktop or the Home tab on mobile, and tap the message icon in the top right corner. Your inbox includes DMs, customer support messages, and chats with Whatnot support. At the top, you'll see Customer Support. This is where you'll find buyer requests, along with your response rate and customer satisfaction score. Your response rate tracks how often you reply to buyer messages within 48 business hours, and your satisfaction score reflects how buyers rate their experience after their issue's resolved. When you get a support request, open it to review the details, including any buyer photos, the video receipt, or order info. You can click How to Respond for guidance on handling your requests. You can choose to offer a full refund, with or without asking the buyer to return the item. Offer a partial refund. We recommend confirming the amount with the buyer first. Send a replacement. You'll generate your own label and enter the tracking info. Or message the buyer directly. If you will not be offering a refund or need more info, reply with a message to ensure your response rate stays healthy. If a buyer escalates a request, the thread closes and communication with the buyer stops. You'll get an email from Whatnot with the resolution. If a return is approved, you'll also get an email when the item's delivered back to you, with options to confirm or dispute it. To clear completed threads, tap the Overflow menu and choose Archive Support Request. Seller-Provided Support puts you in control of the buyer experience, helping you resolve issues quickly, build trust, and strengthen your business. For more info, visit the Whatnot Help Center.